Alrighty guys, so I know that some of you and definitely some of your parents have been trying to figure out how it is that we are going to do things in a classroom and keep social distancing and masks and all the things that we have to do. Look, I'm going to be honest, it's going to be different and it's going to seem probably pretty weird for those first few weeks, but it's going to be alright. We're going to do some things differently. We're going to use some different technologies. We're going to use computers, phones, different things, so where we still get to do all the fun stuff, right? I mean, because some of you love doing stuff in groups. You love group projects. That's still possible. Okay, some of you like working in groups, and to a certain extent, that's still going to be possible even in the classroom. And we're going to walk through how all that's going to look, and it may change over time and all those things, but you're going to still see those things. And then when you guys get here on Monday, we're definitely going to be talking about how do you come into the room, how do you exit the room. There's going to be certain things you're going to need to do on that. I'm going to be talking more and more about that next week. You're going to see it. It's going to make sense to you, I promise. It may seem weird, but it's going to make sense. Okay, so to get a little bit of idea of what we're going to cover, you're going to see there's a second video in this lesson. Go ahead and take a look at it. It's a little bit on the long side, but I think you'll appreciate that it's a little different maybe than some of the stuff you may have seen. You may have seen some of this before, you may not have, but we're going to have some fun. We're going to do some really cool stuff. We're going to start off with maybe some review types of things for a lot of you. Going to start off with some maps, different things like that this first week. And then we're going to jump right into the European colonization of North America. And in particular, eventually we'll get to 13 colonies and all those kinds of good things. So if you have any questions, guys, again, reach out to me on Canvas, send me a text, get on Remind, all those things. Guys, you have plenty of ways to get a hold of me. And listen, that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you out, answer those questions, so that when you guys get here on the 31st, you're ready to rock and roll. Have a good day.